let's be fair.
Oh,
If the
please,
Indian
Mr.
government,
Bhutto Zardari, why
if
then
the
were you
Indian
not
government,
prepared to have the Resistance Front name? Why
I'll
three
get to
times
that, bhai,
has
I'll get
China
aa raha
stepped
hoon,
in on your behalf
आराम
to
से
block the naming?
breathe करे आराम से मैं
जी
आ
जी,
रहा
मैं
हूँ आपको
बहुत अच्छी
मैं
तरह ब्रीथ कर
आ
रहा हूँ,
रहा
लेकिन
हूँ
आप
मैंने
जवाब भी
थोड़ा
दीजिएगा.
सा
You
वो
are
मैं
very good at
जवाब पे
prevaricating.
पहुंच रहा हूँ
You
जवाब
are
पे पहुंच रहा हूँ
prevaricating,
एहतराम से
Mr. Zardari.
it's all right try and breathe okay as far as the Pahalgam terrorist attack is concerned that Pakistan has been willing to be part of an impartial international investigation. Your government refused that. It's very uncomfortable for you that I point out the truth to the Indian public that they have been lied to. That they've been lied to that Pakistan was involved in this attack when we were not. To this day, the government have been unable to provide the evidence. And that's why, during this war, the Indian media and the Indian government launched a campaign of disinformation to continue to bamboozle the people of India.